Susugod na ang saya at swerte mula dito sa Bulwagan ng One for All for One. Alan?
Sa ngayon, meron na tayong 23 silya para sa Plastic Me One Project. Ipunin pa natin yan para maipadala sa ika-88 eskwelahan na nangangailangan ng mga upuan. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikipagbayanihan, mga Daban fans.
Okay. Alamin na natin ang mga mahihinit na balita sa Barangay Marungko, Angat, Bulacan. Dabarkads, pasok! Bulacan.
Barangay Marungko, Angat, Bulacan! Go, my bossy! Go, my big bossy!
Yan ang big bossing natin.
Dami tao. Eto na nga, sa dami ng tao rito, ready na. Eto na ang ating mga may Big Bossy Sayawan! Alan, Boss Joey, meron tayong 3 teams ulit. Andiyan ang Team Sirena, Team Taktak at Team Prinsesa. At ang mananalo magkakaroon ng 10,000 pieces! At eto na po sila! May Big Bossy Sayawan na! My Big Bossing Group number 1, Team Sirena, Dynamic Movers. Blue Eyeshadow. My Big Bossing Group number 2, Team Taktak, Freshman Crew. My Big Bossing Group number 3, Team Prinsesa, Chicksers Dancers. Makulit! Eto na ang makulit! Ang makulit ay makulit! Makulit ay makulit! Ay makulit! Go! My bossing! Go! Ayan ang ating mga My Big Bossing para sa araw na to. Good luck sa inyo mga kids for today.
Maaayos naman. Mamaya malalaman natin kung sino sa kanila ang mananalo. Judge ka ba, Day?
Opo.
Wow! Kaya ka ba nakaupo dito? Judge ka?
Opo.
Oh, wow! Siyempre may mga judges tayo dun sa barangay. Thank you, mga Big Bossing kids.
Thank you. Good luck.
Good luck. Good luck.
Galaw-galaw na.
Sayang pa kumilos eh.
December 25, may Big Bossing, ha?
Lapit na yan.
Ay,
Kailan
naku.
ang parada?
Ang parada po namin, baka 22, 23, or 24.
Ay, hindi sure.
Di ako sure.
Premiere night.
Premiere night, December 29.
Huy! May
Ay.
palabas na tsaka na premiere.
Oh, ganun talaga. Paatras.
December 25, My Big Bossing.
Okay na tayo.
Maganda, maganda. Yun ang tignan mo, wag ako yung ginagawa mo.
Baka madulas ang...
Becky.
Maganda daan dito, Wally. Alan, bukas na, bridal shower ni Marian.
Oh,
Ay,
yes.
nako.
Dito yan sa Itbulaga.
Ay, naku, kakaiba dun sa mga bridal shower na ginawa ni Yan Yan.
Oh,
Daming surprise ah.
Tanghaling tapat ba naman eh?
May mga nakalagay sa cake.
Tsaka bridal shower sa barangay.
Hello po.
Hello?
Hello po.
Sino po ito?
Hello po.
Hello?
Hello po.
Hello po.
Sino po ito?
Sorry
Grace po.
Doris.
Tao po.
Doris de Guzman Ramos.
Doris de Guzman Ramos.
Ramos.
Parang ang daming tao sa bahay nila.
Eh, malamang. Ando na
Puntahan
lahat
nyo na
yan.
nga. Number
Doris.
396, Marungko.
396, Marungko.
Malayo ba yun sa Angat Dam? Yung
Malapit, Alan. Malapit
malapit.
ito.
Malapit.
Lahat ng dam sa Angat nandito.
Siguro mga siyam na hakbang lang.
Marami rito.
Mamate.
Pati yung mga cave, meron dito.
Ay, ganda.
Ganda rito.
Pero sa December 14, Festival of Colors, mga Dabar Cats, sa Gloria de Dapitan,
Nako.
Dapitan City. Kita-kits tayo dyan.
Naku.
Yun ang maganda.
Oo, ako, ang ganda dyan.
Festival of Colors.
10 nakatira si
Doris!
Doris. Ayun, doon daw. Yung
Ang
kilala
lalaki
niya.
ng bunga ng mangga, ha?
Oo. Namumunga ng tao.
Ang bunga ng mangga, naka-jersey.
Ang pogi na naka-basketball uniform.
Correct.
Ay, nagpapabati si Basar Amer. Ng San Beda. Nanalo sila sa PCCL. Congratulations, Beda. Bridal shower. Excited na ako. Ano ba ginagawa talaga sa bridal shower?
Naliligo.
Talaga. Maligo ka bukas, ha?
Hindi ako maliligo bukas.
I know.
Merong nakalagay sa cake, Alan.
Ano?
May nakalagay sa cake.
Ano?
Tao.
Talaga.
Gusto mo ba rito sa barangay?
Sinabi mo naman agad, surprise nga yun eh.
Nandun si Dagul sa loob.
Ang liit naman ng box.
Maliit lang yung cake eh.
Kasi ano lang eh. Wow.
Uy, kami ni Ay, may show kami mamaya sa Zilko.
Uy, talaga?
Oy,
Punta kayo, ha?
Ngayon lang kami nagtagpo uli ni Ay.
Ay, maganda yan, Alan. Ay, eto siya.
Ayan na, ayan siya, oh.
Aling Doris, kabali na. Yan po ang bahay nyo. Ang ganda ng bahay.
Para ang bata pa.
Ano po yan sa tatay ko?
Si Mama Alan.
Hello,
Hello,
po.
Doris.
Magandang tanghali po.
Magandang tanghali din sa'yo. Ikaw ba ay dalaga pa?
Ay, may asawa na po.
May asawa na?
Wala ka ng pag-asa, Alan.
Para madresado ako. Ano ba? May anak na kayo?
Opo.
Ilan?
4 po.
Apat!
Oh, si Mister, anong trabaho?
Bus driver po.
Bus driver, biyaheng Maynila?
Sa ano po yan? Tourist bus.
Tourist bus.
Sa ibang
mga-
bansa.
Hindi.
Hindi, dito
Saan,
din yan.
saan yung mga ruta ng tourist bus niya?
Meron po sa Quezon, sa Tagaytay, sa Baguio, sa Bicol.
Basta tinutur niya yung mga RIS.
Opo.
Kasi nga
Ano?
tourist.
Tinutur niya yung mga RIS.
Tourist.
Tourist eh.
Tourist
Ikaw, may trabaho ka?
Ako, eto, sa Bulaga ako.
Hindi, si Doris, si Doris. Si Doris.
Doris.
Opo.
Ano?
Teacher po ako sa isang private school.
Elementary, high school.
High school po.
Anong tinuturo mo?
English po.
Okay.
It's English Friday.
Okay, kausapin
OMG.
nyo.
Dai, halika Dai. English Friday. Dai, halika rito. Opo ka rito
8
uli.
years.
We have an English teacher.
Ma'am, you talk to Riza.
Come to mama.
Humihingal na yung donkey.
Ano?
Ma'am, you talk to the donkey.
Yeah.
Hello, hi, Raisa. Hi.
Ay, napiti.
Hello.
Donkey daw kangis.
How are you?
Ba't ganun, English teacher
Biglang
na yan?
ayaw
Tsaka ka naman na.
magsalita.
Arte. Arte.
Oh, you choke.
Takot.
Na-choke.
Wow, antok daw, antok.
Ay, naantok yung
Gaano
donkey.
katagal na po kayong English teacher?
8 years daw.
8 years.
Po sa Lourdes College of Bulacan. Hello, Lourdes!
Wow, si
Hi.
Lourdes.
Hello, Mama.
Hi, Lourdes.
First name basis sila.
Oo, nag-eskwela.
Na-open po ang aming EBR.
Taray.
Dahil
Hi,
alam nila na
Lourdes.
nandito ang Bulaga.
Yun. Hi, Lourdes.
Saan ang bahay mo, Lourdes? Ay,
Where's the
Lourdes.
house?
Ay, Doris.
Doris, where's the house?
What's
Where's your
that?
house?
There.
There.
The pader?
Yes, sir.
Over there,
Can
the
we-
pader.
Can we proceed?
Can we go?
Where can
go?
we?
All right.
Okay.
We'll follow you.
It's coming.
So, how much is the dog is in the window?
Ow, ow.
Ow, ow.
Ala, no? The house is very big.
Yeah, the big house is very.
And it's very nice.
Yeah.
Wow, it's too nice. And we have a stair here.
Wow.
A stairway to heaven.
The
No
finishing
paint
is so
yet.
nice. Cement.
Wow.
No paint, but with tiles.
Yeah, look at that. Amazing.
Wow.
There's a big terrace.
Fabulous.
And look at that! There's a window!
Oh.
Bakit naman
This is,
siguro na bahay na walang window?
yeah, this is the first time I saw a house with a window.
Yeah, it's so nice.
And they will have a door.
I have a picture in the door! Picture with the door!
And also big doorknob.
Can I have a picture with the door?
Amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, why?
We have a
Amazing,
fountain.
amazing title ng kalaban niyo yun.
Kalaban ba yun, Joey?
Hey, ma'am.
Oh,
Kasi
it's
netong
not,
naman yung ano natin.
it's not amazing.
You sit here.
Why?
Because it's celebrity block. Kalaban ba ng celebrity block?
Wow, there's a lot of people here.
How are you people?
Who are they?
You know, people, this is the first time we go here. Can you everybody evacuate?
Everybody, evaporate.
Yes.
Is that their neighbors?
Yes, my auntie, my co-teachers, and my previous student.
Previous students?
Previous students.
What are you doing here? Reunion?
A premier student. You have diesel student?
Ano ba? Gasolina naman.
Recent.
Wow. Ano sabi?
Ewan ko. Parang buisit yun.
Where's the husband?
Where's the husband?
Can we meet?
He is in his trip.
Oh, he's in his trip.
Ah, why you sleep? You wake up.
He is in his trip.
Trip.
Oh, your
Trip.
husband is an addict?
Why? No, it's a different trip.
It's a
No,
different
bus
trip.
trip.
He do a trip.
No, he's,
Like me. Trip.
Tripping.
he's driving, I think. He's driving.
Driving.
Sa travel po.
So how?
How?
Wala lang, maka-English
How
lang
di
ako.
ka rin
Come on, everybody. Please, move out.
Ma'am, how about we sit down?
Look at that. We have a rocking chair.
Wow! So,
For how
ma'am,
many years is it's not a rocker?
how many years
We
old daw
have-
yung rocker?
How many years the heavy metal rocker?
Same as my age.
Same as your age.
Oh, is it your sister or brother?
Oh, that was given by my daddy.
Oh,
Where's your dad?
Where's your daddy?
He is already dead.
Oh, my.
Oh, come on.
You want to follow?
No, I'm busy right now. Okay, Daddy, you stay, huh?
Stay there. How about your mommy?
She's gone also.
Oh.
Everyone's gone to the moon.
Yeah.
So sad.
How about your sisters and your brothers?
Gone also?
No, I am the only girl. My two brothers, one is in Canada and the other one is in Quezon City.
Oh.
Everyone is going away.
Wow.
Is there a problem?
So how
Aren't you afraid of being alone?
Yeah, you afraid being alone?
No, I'm not.
Wait, you can only talk to people in this house.
Ang galing.
Huh?
No, because I am happy with my family and with my friend.
And then, how about the neighbors? Oh, you can. Yeah, it's good. And what the percent?
Fluent.
And you know, why is it that the rocking chair is still moving?
My
Because
dad
the
is
father
sitting
is
here.
also there with. Look at that.
It's moving.
It's still
Okay,
moving
Daddy. Oh,
continuously.
tatay, behave lang, tatay.
Yes, tatay. Gusto mong tinapay.
Bakit parang nag-inject na?
Why don't you burn it
The what?
Yeah.
No, this is the remembrance of the father.
Oh, but the father is gone already.
Yeah, but it's still here.
Oh, why? You have sick?
When
Baka
did
you-
the father die?
Ah, okay.
Maybe you want to greet your sisters in Canada and Quezon City.
My brothers.
My brother.
No, your brother.
But before then, I want to greet my husband.
No, great
Bye.
husband. Husband is
He's in the
trip.
trip, yeah.
He's driving.
Okay. Kuya, ito kami sa...
English, please.
Okay, brother. Here we are in Itbulaga. How are you?
Wow, what a nice English.
That was a very long message.
Yes,
very
this is the
deep.
first time I heard a teacher in English talking English.
Yes, and the message, it's so deep.
So deep inside in your heart.
I cannot even, understand the words.
So also your kids speaking English?
No,
Why?
because we are Tagalog.
Why don't you teach how to speak English?
Parang hirap ka. Parang hirap.
Kaya ko to.
Okay, you want to
Kaya mo
talk
yan.
with them?
Makakaraos din kami rito.
Kuya, you want to talk with them?
Yeah, I want to talk your
Okay, may I ask my daughter?
Why you
Jeanette,
ask her?
come here.
Jeanette,
Jeanette, come
your
here.
daughter asked you.
Ano?
Daughter asked you.
Ah, this is the daughter. This is your first
Parang
eldest
Asyo
girl.
sa longer.
Hi, daughter.
There, you talk to
Hi.
Tito Jose.
Oo, mga Inglesera.
Okay, what's your name again?
Jeanette,
Jeanette, how young are you?
20 years old.
20 years old. And you still studying?
Yes,
Are you still studying?
yes I am.
Or what school you are?
St.
Ano?
Mary's.
From what school you are? Am I wrong?
No, it's fine. It's
Come
fine.
on. What year? You grade.
I'm fourth year college.
Taking up
Education.
education. You must be a teacher someday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then what you want to go to the break?
What?
She don't understand my
Hindi yan ang bata in fairness, ha?
Yay. Hey, who's that? That's your
That's, a premonition.
that's your daddy?
Apparition?
He is my uncle.
Oh, uncle.
I thought that is your daddy.
You're
no?
the uncle.
You speak also English, uncle?
No?
Be.
Cannot be.
Cannot
Borrow
be.
one from two.
You're 20 years old. You have a boyfriend.
Yes.
Well.
Secret.
Secret. You have a boyfriend.
None.
Last question. You have a boyfriend.
None.
Okay, none.
Ay.
Okay, you. Hey, you. What happened to you?
Don't want to talk.
Why? Why?
Very hard.
What?
Very hard.
Hard what?
I don't know.
Oh, it's bleeding already.
No split.
What happened?
What happened? I feel dizzy. What do you feel?
What is this? Oh, taste it. What?
Get lumpiang Shanghai.
Oh, nose.
No, maybe it's your BP again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, daughter. When you're a
Jeanette,
teacher, what
subject?
subject you teach?
Any subject.
Any subject. Give me one.
English, Filipino, or math.
English,
Filipino
Filipino.
or math.
Okay, spell English.
ENGLIS.
You're brilliant.
Very good.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. You're so...
You're brilliant.
And you know everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dinaan sa ganda ng ngiti.
You know, enough.
Yeah.
My
Please,
English is
enough,
up.
enough, enough of this.
Hanggang doon lang yung inabot ko.
I'm already suffering from internal bleeding.
Oh, come on. Don't. No, look at that.
Wow.
Okay,
Alright.
so, you know?
Yes.
Yes, you
Yes,
know.
you know, of course. Ma'am, here's your gifts from Itbulaga.
Yeah.
English pa rin ba?
Yes. English. Let's talk about English, okay?
All right, here's your gifts from Coca-Cola. Wow, lots of food.
Wow.
With a delicious and cold Coca-Cola.
Wow, press. Coca-Cola press from
With-
refrigerator.
10,000 pieces.
Oh, my goodness.
Ma'am, we have another gift. You have O Plus 8.3 Android phone.
Wow.
This and O Plus is the new one, newest. O Plus 360 series.
Oh, look at that. We
Yes.
also give you and make a pasulu for you from
Hanabishi Appliances.
Yeah, it's
Lots of
new
appliances.
Yes.
And you know, this is
Alright.
another gift. We have a package for you. A package for you from
Villarica Pawn Shop. that.
Not only that,
Yeah.
yeah, we have also 5,000 pieces from
Lafarge Republic Cement. Here's your 5,000. Good luck.
And you know, you have another 5,000 pesos and a gift from New San Marino Tuna Flakes.
Wow, you're so brilliant.
And this another pasalu for you.
What's
Okay.
that?
You have a tricycle over there?
Motor lang po.
No English.
English, please.
Only motor.
Only motor. Okay. There's a motor train right now. And we have a gift for you. We have some there.
Kawasaki CT110 and 5,000 pieces from Motor Trade. That's brand new. That's yours. Wow,
Look at
legs.
there.
Oh, English yan.
Yeah, motor trade, You know? Ano yung motor? You know, motor,
Motorcycle.
motorcycle. Again? Ano sabi?
In Motor Trade.
In motor trade,
Motorcycle
Motor is
for
sure.
sure. You're the baby.
you're the baby. You're carrier the baby.
Yes.
Alaga ka rito.
Yun. Motor trade, sure. And you're like, I like a baby. Hey, people, what's funny? Bugs Bunny.
Why are you laughing? This is very hard for us.
You know, we have, you make some a little store. Like some kind of sari store.
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
that? And we have that, and then we will bring to you from over there.
Yeah.
The
Pure Gold.
We had a lot of candies, chocolate over there.
For your variety
And
store.
then we have two sacks of
Yeah, for your...
rice.
To sack of fries
And then we have a 5,000
Yeah.
from Pure Gold.
with ham.
You know Pure Gold?
Ay, Pure Gold Baliwag.
Oh.
Pure Gold. You know, Alan, Pure Gold? Always
Always a
winner.
For your variety store, not varsity store.
You know Baliwag?
Baliwag.
Where Pure Gold?
Yes, we have.
Where?
Where?
At Baliwag, Bulacan.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, my!
Possible, impossible.
Oh, my!
This is not happening.
It's shocking.
This is
Yeah.
not happening.
So hard.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hey.
another
Hey, Mr. Postman.
house.
This house is not yours. You
Eh.
said it's your father's.
Father.
So the father is gone already?
Yes.
So who's the owner of this house?
No other than
No other than who?
Who?
aside from me.
From you.
From you.
So we could...
How about you want another house and lot?
Kaya pa ba?
You know, there's a chance for you to own another new house and lot.
Wow.
From Lumina Homes. Everyone's home.
Where's your registration form?
Yeah. Can we check it?
That is new, not Lumi,
Oh, Doris de Guzman Ramos, you fold it in half.
You know when you go to Bulacan now in Angat? Oh my goodness.
And then you
We have
drop
a visa na here.
Yeah.
Really?
US visa. If ever you win, ay, good luck. This
You
is
know,
yours.
when we pass the toll gate, there's an immigration.
Yes, and you know what? We have a something gift for you, for your life, for your business, and for your negotiate.
How is that?
Okay? And this is, you make keep it,
Yeah.
a PLDT, and you want PLDT, ka-asenso.
In-accept na lang. Kaya i-translate.
Yeah.
Senso Siberia all-in-one internet cafe package.
Internet coffee. Okay?
Yes.
Ayan, look at that. You
That's
know what?
yours.
PLDT
Senso
ka-asenso.
Siberia, the all-in-one internet cafe package for your family, powered by PLDT Home DSL.
Wow! What a trio!
Yeah.
We survived.
Yes!
Survive.
I think I want to go to USA. Okay, so what did you say?
Thank you for Eat Bulaga and then those who are sponsored this network. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so
Can you
much.
say it again from the top?
No, from the top.
You know, this is a very, very serious question.
Wow.
A serious
I'm
question.
waiting.
So you
Okay.
have to...
A serious question. So how long you stay in this world?
Nice, very nice.
Okay.
You're good. You're good.
laughing.
No, it's very good.
Do you have any yung naiisip mo? Any
You're thinking of-
thinking for a business?
Pwede?
English,
No, English, please.
Yes.
What kind of business is this?
Mini grocery.
Mini grocery. Mini grocery like this.
That's only like the mini,
Grocery, yeah.
like mini iPad.
Mini grocery.
You want mini grocery?
Siyempre, of course, we'll start at the little and then until it will become bigger.
Oh, good.
Start from the little.
Okay, you want that? Now, this is your pillow pom. Yan yan.
Anong pillow?
Ha?
Pillow.
Unan.
Puhunan!
This is for capital from your business.
It's the wrong English.
Yan.
It's the wrong English.
Let's dance, come on.
And how's about giving her bossing savings number 4?
Number 4. Hey you, pig.
Anong pig?
Si Patricia yun.
May kasamang ham.
Wow, Lex.
Hindi legs yan.
Legs.
Number 4. Ooh, next time, don't go here again, ha?
Did you see it?
Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good.
Thank you. Thank you, bossing. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah. Choop, choop. Choop.
Congratulations.
And this is also something special for you. You know, Eat Bulaga, we have a gift for you, an extra gift for the early Christmas presentation. Kala nyo madali dito, mahirap din pala.
Susunod, maghanap tayo ng math teacher.
For you, listen very carefully. Listen. You, down. I don't need explanation.
Listen.
Okay? For your kids, for your family, for your mother, brother. Happy brush your teeth. And to the whole family, a Christmas presentation for Eat Bulaga, for you, and for the host, and for the sponsor. All of you.
Early Christmas gift.
We're gonna give you a
45,000 pieces!
Oh my! This is the first time!
Yeah, 45,000 pieces,
Look
ma'am.
at that! You're crying!
Congratulations and Merry Christmas.
Thank you po.
Teacher is crying?
The teacher is crying because
What's that
the children is out.
No.
Congratulations.
Maybe this is a tears of joy.
Oh.
Congratulations,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you po.
You keep it your money, okay?
Yes.
Teacher, that's the early Christmas bonus from Eat Bulaga.
Hey, Helen is waiting.
Oh, Ate Helen, go, go!
Like Helen, Ate Helen.
Doing like this. So let's go, guys. Let's do bayanihan.
Okay,
Congratulations, Ma'am
Binabati
Doris.
ko po yung mga nasa Lourdes School of Bulacan. Ma'am
Wow,
Elsa, my
Lourdes.
teachers, all my students.
where's the bonus, Lourdes?
Here you go na.
Oh, yeah, here we go now.
Barangay Marongko, Angat, Bulacan, Bayanihan. Congratulations.
Sa mga dapat ka sa barangay, patuloy tayo maglinis sa
Bloody
kapatigan,
red.
lalo na ngayong nalalapit ang bagyo.
English.
Oh,
English,
yeah.
please.
Your password. Let's make it into chairs.
Okay, so to make palawak,
Konyo. Taglish.
our pagkumpanihan in the Plastic One Project, you bring 15 or more bottles. And here's what we are looking for. Get wet. Basa. Okay.
Basa yun.
Basa yun. Okay. Go.
We're
But Joe-
looking for guys
Yeah, no.
Men?
Let them read. Let them
Yeah.
read. Okay, okay.
with tap, model by King.
Boss Joey,
Yes.
sa susunod, sama namin si Jackas, ha? Si Jokas, ha? Galing mag-English nung anak mo.
Okay, I'll tell her that.
Okay. Jokas, you come over here, ha?
You help us, you help us. Okay, let's start running. 1 minute.
Okay.
Come on, marathon!
You translate.
It's fun run! Ay, Hassan! Hassan!
Hassan! Assalamualaikum, Hassan!
Welcome back!
Joshua Miguel Hizon, ha? Happy birthday!
Esther Lumeda, happy birthday!
June Gomez, happy birthday!
Daryl Silverio, happy
Daryl, happy birthday!
Vince Cabreros, happy birthday.
Ito rin, no? Si Chris Chuper din, happy
English.
birthday. Juliet Cruz, Noli Alvis, Ani Mariano. Si Chris Chuper na, no? DJ.
Chris Chuper, happy birthday. Tomorrow,
Yes.
bridal shower of Marian. Don't miss it.
Oh my, oh my!
Marian will take a shower here.
Wake up early tomorrow!
We have also a breakfast in bed.
Wow.
Hi,
After
Master
shower.
Riders!
How about-
Karingan, Karingan.
How about let's English tomorrow with
Oh.
Maria?
No, Maria's very
What?
good in English.
Yeah,
huh?
peace.
We will English tomorrow?
No, only
Okay,
Friday.
I think tomorrow I have a
Okay,
sick
time is
tomorrow.
up. Again, we're looking for men with 15 plastic bottles or more.
You're not
And
looking
they
for
have
men,
to bring
Anan?
tape measure. I choose a number, and this is 4 follow-follow.
All right.
Wow!
Tape
Apat
measure.
sunod-sunod. 138, 139, 140, 141.
138, 139,
Over the end.
140,
And 137. Excuse me. Up. Excuse me.
Look
po.
at that.
Yeah.
One number, 4 foot.
One number, all barangays Canones.
OMG. So we have to make bunot again?
I think. Oh, okay, we
I
try
don't
again.
think so.
Try it, try
What's
it.
the Bayanihan line color?
Oh, we have to check.
Do you, the Bayanihan line?
Oh,
OMG.
yeah, big mouth.
That means they're not included in the Barangay Bayanihan.
Yeah, they not enter the dragon.
Ganun pa man, congratulations. Maraming salamat sa mga dapat kayo natin dyan sa Barangay Marungko, Angat, Bulacan.
What?
What? English.
Oh, come on. I can repeat the alert.
From our headquarters, that's the big tooth. Nagbabagang news for one for all and all for one.
Yeah.
Eto na, here's Pia. Ay, Pia tuloy. Julia and Ruby.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for calling me Pia. Yeah. I was not aware I'm long and spelled. Wow. Yes. Oh, kasama natin ang nangyari. Kasama natin ang mga nanalo ng Big Pamasko nung Saturday. Dalawang winners of Noche Buena package worth 15,000 and 5,000 pesos cash.
Ooh, who
Sila
are
ay
they?
si Rodnick Batoy ng Marikina.
Hey!
Mula naman sa Paranaque, Rizalina Velasco.
Yo! Congratulations, guys. Yes.
Oh, and it's not yet done.
Oh, why
We
not?
still give away gift dahil tomorrow, they can win big, 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 big prizes.
Please.
Just wait.
Alalay on the big.
Yeah, no, because that's me. You wait, see? Big box, big girl, big announcement,
Yeah.
big pamasko for everyone.
Basta you make abang-abang the box over there. Oh, yeah. And now, let's find out who may pinakapanalo.
In the neighborhood.
Who has the biggest transformation in GGSS?
Gayang-gaya, siyang-siyang! Let's call them back. GGSS number 1. John Lester Casimiro, a.k.a. Bruno Marshmallow.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. And GGSS number 2, Ivan Charles Murphy, also known as Chris Brown Rice.
Oh, that's my rice.
Oh, yeah, that's your bowl.
Oh, and both of them receive tickets.
Uy,
This
to where?
ticket's 1FC Warriors Way. Later.
Wow, later.
This is later.
You
at
don't have a
Momo
letter
Arena.
T. You don't have a letter T.
Nah, later.
Eh.
All right, let's announce. Come on, Joe Pao. Who wins?
Hey guys,
Yeah, guys.
Ruby and Julia.
Yes.
Yes, here.
We have now the results.
With 29 out of 35 votes,
Look at that.
our GGSS for today is contestant number 1. John Lesser Casimiro Bruno Marshmallow.
Congrats, may 20,000 ka, kuya.
Congratulations.
Congratulations! Hawak na rin namin ang panalo grupo sa My Big Bossing Sayawan. At sila ay ang group number 2!
Freshman crew.
Freshman Crew, congratulations!
Congrats. Panalo kayo ng 10,000 pesos.
Maraming salamat mga Dabber Cats sa
Dito
nakasaya
sila.
natin ngayong araw. Tandaan, mag-ingat po tayo. Okay lang po ang OA, basta safe tayo.
Correct. Oy, abangan po ang nag-iisang bridal
English.
shower sa Please watch out tomorrow for the bridal shower of the one and only royalty, Marian's bridal shower.
So, 11:30, let's be all together here, wherever everyone is invited in 1,001 Smile.